Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled that you've decided to join me today. If you're a fan of lip art and all things beauty, then you're in for a treat. In this video, I'll be sharing my lip art collection with you. From bold and bright colors to subtle and sophisticated shades, there's something for everyone, but before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video. I'm always sharing new makeup tutorials, product reviews, and beauty tips, so you won't want to miss a thing. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the world of lip art. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started.